Every fast network, every clear video call, and every smooth digital experience starts with something you rarely notice. When cabling is poorly designed or outdated, networks slow down, connections fail, and even the best technologies struggle to perform. Structured cabling gives you single, well-planned network infrastructure, supporting voice, data, video, and signals with clarity and speed. With structured cabling by Konverge, your network becomes easier to manage, faster to troubleshoot, and ready for whatever comes next. It supports high bandwidth apps like video conferencing, VoIP, and cloud services without any interruption. We design and implement cabling solutions that are tailor-made for your business, neat, robust, and built to grow with you. Adding new devices, users, or technologies becomes simple and stress-free. With fewer failures and easier upgrades, businesses save time, money, and efforts in the long run. So, build your IT on a strong foundation and choose cabling solutions by Konverge.